Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the proposal. In our previous session, we came to know that Natalia and Lomo stopped talking about Oxon Meadows. After that, they started to quarrel about their dogs. Natalia said that her dog Squeezer was better than Lomo's dog Gas. In return, Lomo said his dog Guess is better than her dog Squeezer, and also he said that her dog Squeezer is an overshot. In return, Natalia said her dog belonged to very good race or breed, and Lomo's dog is old and ugly as a worn out cab horse. Now let's continue the lesson. Lomo. He is old, but I wouldn't take 5 squeezers for him. Why? How can you? Guess is a dog. As for Squeezer, well, it is too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as Squeezer. You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Now, Lomo says, yes, my dog Squeezer is old, but I wouldn't take 5 squeezers for him. But if you put 5 squeezers together, they are not equal to my dog Guess. Why are you comparing my Guess with your Squeezer? It is very funny to argue. Okay, you are making funny argument by saying your Squeezer is better than my Guess. Anybody you like has a dog as good as Squeezer. Many people have their dogs like Squeezer. Okay, you may find them under every bush almost. Almost under every bush you can find dog like Squeezer. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Actually, your dog Squeezer is worth of only 25 ruble. Okay. He is very cheap rate dog. Like this, Lomo said to Natalia. Then Natalia, there is some demon of contradiction in you today, Ivan Vasilovich. First, you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now, that Guess is better than Squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly Guess. Why do you want to say he isn't? Then Natalia, she says, there is some demon of contradiction in you today. Today you have demon. Demon means devil of contradiction in you. Contradiction means opposition or disagreement. Today you have demon of contradiction in you. Means whatever I am telling you are opposing that today. First, you pretend that meadows are yours. Earlier, you acted. Pretend means act. You acted that the meadows are yours. Now, that Guess is better than Squeezer. Now you are telling Guess is better than Squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly Guess. Again she said, You know perfectly well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. Why do you want to say he isn't? Why don't you accept this truth? Why are you arguing like this? She asked him. Lomo, I see, Natalia Stepanova, that you consider me either blind or a fool. You must realize that squeezer is overshot. Then Lomo says, I think you are considering me either blind or fool. That's why you are talking to me like this. You must realize that squeezer is overshot. First, you realize, you understand that squeezer is overshot. Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, he is. Again, Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, why shout, madam? Why are you shouting like this? Natalia, why talk rot? It's a fool. It's time your guess was short and you compare him with squeezer. Then she says, why talk rot? Rot means wrong or bad manner. Why are you talking in a bad manner? This time your guess was short. Your guess was old. And you compare him with squeezer. Why are you comparing your guess with my squeezer? Lomo, excuse me, I cannot continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating. Then he says, I'm not ready to continue this argument. My heart is palpitating. My heart is beating rapidly. Natalia, I have noticed that those hunters argue most who know least. Then Natalia says, I have noticed those hunters who are not good at hunting, they always talk more. Okay. I noticed that those hunters argue most who know least, who know very less, they only talk more. Lomo, madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shut up. Lomo once again says, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. My heart is palpitating. Shut up. Natalia, I shan't shut up until you acknowledge that squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. Then Natalia said, I shall not shut up until you acknowledge. Acknowledge means admit. Until you admit that squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. You have to accept squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. Lomo, 100 times worse. Be hanged to your squeezer. His head, eyes, shoulder. Then Lomo says, 100 times worse. He is not better, he is worse. Okay, 100 times worse. Be hanged your squeezer. Hang your squeezer. His eyes, his head, shoulder. Okay, he was about to tell something. Natalia, there is no need to hang your silly guess. He is half dead already. There is no need to hang your dog guess because he is half dead already. Already he is old. He is half dead. Lomo weeps. Shut up. My heart's bursting. Natalia, I shan't shut up. At that time, Chubuko enters. Chubuko, what is the matter now? Again, why are you quarreling? What is the matter now? Natalia, Papa, tell us truly, which is the better dog, our squeezer or his guess? She asks her father, which is the better dog, Squeezer or Gas. Lomo. Stefan Stefanovich, I implore you to tell me just one thing. Is your squeezer overshot or not? Yes or no? Then Lomo tells Stefan Stefanovich, I implore you, I request you to tell me just one thing. Your squeezer overshot or not? You just tell me your squeezer is overshot or not. Just you tell me that one. Chubuko. And suppose he is. What does it matter? He is the best dog in the district for all that and so on. Yeah, he may be overshot. Then what is the matter? He may be overshot, but he is the best dog in the district. Lomo. But isn't my guess better? Really? Now? Lomo says. But isn't my guess better than your squeezer? Chubuko. Don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me. Your guess certainly has his good points. He, Lomo, when said, isn't my guess better? Chubuko says, don't excite yourself, my precious one. Allow me to tell. Your guess certainly has his good points. Yeah, many good qualities your guess has. He is purebred, firm on his feet, has well sprung ribs, and all that. What are those good points? He is purebred, belong to very pure breed. Firm on his feet, he is strong. Has well sprung ribs, well rounded or well shaped ribs. He has well shaped ribs and all that. But, my dear man, if you want to know the truth, that dog has two defects. But your dog has two defects, faults. He is old and he is short in the muzzle. Your dog is old and he is short in the muzzle. Muzzle means jaw. Okay. Lomo. Excuse me, my heart. Let us take the facts. You will remember that on the Maroniski hunt, my guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog, while your squeezer was left a whole verst behind. Then Lomo said, excuse me, my heart. Whenever he used to get excited, he used to get palpitation. That's why he used to tell my heart again and again. Let us take the facts. Now let us talk about facts. You will remember that on the Moroneski's hunt, my guest ran neck to neck with the Count's dog. When we went to hunting with the Moroneski, that time my dog guest ran neck and neck with the Count's dog. It was running equally to Count's dog. Count means landlord's dog. While your squeezer was left a whole verst behind, but your squeezer was left whole verst behind. Verst means a Russian land measurement. One verst is equal to 1.1 kilometer. Then Chubuko says, he got left behind because the Count's whipper-in hit him with his whip. Yeah, my dog got left behind because Count's whipper-in means Count's assistant hit my dog with his whip, with his strap. Like this, Chubuko said. Lomo. And with good reason. The dogs are running after a fox when Squeezer goes and starts worrying a sheep. Lomo says, that day when all the other dogs were running after fox, your dog Squeezer was running behind sheep. He was chasing sheep. Chubuko, it is not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable to lose my temper. And so just because of that, let us stop arguing. Then Chubuko says, it is not true, my dear fellow. I am very liable. Now I am about to lose my temper. And so just because of that, let us stop arguing. That's why it is better we have to stop our argument here. You started because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. Yes, we are all like that. You too, sir, aren't blameless. Yeah, you are arguing like this because everybody is always jealous of everybody else's dogs. And you are also not blameless, you are also not innocent. You are also jealous about my dog. That's why you are talking like this. You no sooner begin with this, that and other and all that. I remember everything. That's why you are continuously arguing, telling this, that. You are trying to prove that your dog is better than my dog. I remember this. Okay. Lomo, I remember too. I can also remember. Chubuko, teasing him. I remember too. What do you remember? Lomo, my heart, my food's gone to sleep. I can't. Okay. Natalia, teasing. My heart, what sort of hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go after foxes, my heart. Natalia teases him. She says the same thing, my heart. What sort of hunter are you? She asks him, what sort of hunter are you? You ought to, it is better, you have to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles. Black beetles, insects. Okay. Not go after foxes, my heart. It is better, you have to go and lie on kitchen oven and you have to catch black beetles, means insects, instead of chasing foxes. Like this, Natalia teased Lomo. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.